Well, I have I believe these are 90-degree angles, banana plugs. This is how it's supposed to look. This is how it looks. This is going to go behind. It's so crazy because the way when I bought these, I figured maybe whatever's going to go, wherever this receiver is going to go, it may be a tight fit. So I said, let me just get a set of these two as well. So it looked like it may work out behind that wall mount, right? So I'm glad I got these here. And then because you got red and black, right? So I put the black with black, red with blue. Okay, all right there. So what I'm gonna do now is just bend these all the way down around these teeth. Right, I had to change the lens real quick. So there's a teeth, so I have to bend these wires around the teeth, bend it down, and then screw on the top. So this is how it is. So deadbolt means that I can pull it and this shit's not going nowhere. Alright, so I got it all connected, guys. Nice and tight, and they all are. Alright, so these are for the surround sounds. Right, so let's get these things wired up. So here it is, plugged in. It's a little tight, but that's okay as long as it's connected. I'm sure that's pretty fine. And you have these right here, coax staple, coax staples. So they got a coax staples inside right here, going down from up here all the way down, right? So there it is. All right. What I got done so far is basically run the wires from, I'll tell you here. You can see right there, the connection right there, that connection right there. So there's over there. Well, I ran out of wire, guys. I ran out of wire. So I had to order some more, and then I would just update the Instagram or some shorts of what I've done so far. All right, so until next time, guys. I'll see you guys soon.